What's up everybody, welcome back to cilinixfxcapital and welcome to this new video. An update on Stacks and the STX token, which has absolutely been very bullish again. We're in the middle of a bullish breakout right now, going up to 1.35. So I wanted to make a full video on what to expect, how high we can get, and just some important levels you have to take into account. So that's what we'll do in this video. We're going to focus on the technicals, okay? But I'll try to also blend in the fundamentals. I mean, I have a clear picture, I think, of the fundamentals of the market and for Stacks specifically. So for me, it's already built into my bias of Stacks, right? So I am quite bullish on Stacks because of multiple things. Ordinals, Bitcoin bullishness, which Stacks is more correlated to than other cryptos. And apart from that, what I wanted to show you is that Stacks on its own is also doing amazing. Total value locked is not at its highest point ever, but it's really high. Daily active addresses in an uptrend, daily transactions in an uptrend. So it's Stacks is doing good, all right? And the only thing that could really destroy our hopes, I think, for Stacks would be a Bitcoin crash. Which, is it possible? Yes. Does it look likely right now? No. So, all right. The big thing with Stacks right now, and what I think is a little bit difficult if we talk about the technicals for Stacks, is that there is this resistance level at around 1.35, which historically is not the strongest level, but you should definitely not neglect it either. It's really as I said, it's really 1.35. Then there's a little bit of resistance around 1.4, 1.45, but the main resistance I think is 1.55. So the big question I think is we're going up to that level at 1.35, which ranges from 1.3 to 1.35. So we already hit that. First of all, I'm assuming that we will break above 1.23 because we have not done that technically. I mean, this candle has just been open, so in 3 hours this closes. If it has closed above 1.33, then we have a bullish breakout, but technically that still takes some time. But I am assuming we will. So the big question then is we're going up to 1.35, or at least this level. We'll find resistance there. Will we, after that resistance, be able to stay on top of 1.25, 1.23? If the answer is yes, if we can stay on top of that for 24 hours, then I also think we can break above 1.35. And go up to 1.55. Now I must say one thing about this later rally, so this continued rally from 1.35 to 1.55, which is not nothing. It's quite a big rally. It's another 15%. The outcome for that to happen, the outcome of the interest rate should be positive. All right, and that depends on everything they'll say at the press conference, that type of thing. But that should be positive. If that's not positive, Bitcoin will not be as bullish, and Stacks can just not do this, I think. All right, so that's something that has to happen. That's one big criteria for something like this to happen, because otherwise we might spike up to 1.4, 1.45, but 1.55 then is just too far. I think it's a bridge too far. There's a lot of resistance still in our way before going there. As I said, 1.35, that level around 1.45, 1.4. So if we really want to get there, we would, first of all, as I said, need to hold the level we just broke above at 1.25, 1.23. That's the technical side of things. The fundamental side of things, Bitcoin should just be very, very bullish. Bitcoin should go up to 30,000. And that's only possible if the outcome of the interest rates is bullish. But I'll do more videos on that. I'll do a full video on what to expect from that interest rate and what you should look out for. But for now, this is my full take on Stacks. So thank you for watching. Have a great day and bye.